Mr. Beast is the most famous YouTuber in the world, and I made a fragrance for him. You may know Mr. Beast for being the king of YouTube challenges and giveaways, or for conquering burgers, poverty, and chocolate bars. But today, we're back with a brand new sensation, Beast Aroma. Imagine the world's excitement if Jimmy put his creativity into crafting a scent. What would it smell like? How would it launch? Well, after today, you no longer have to wonder. And speaking of creativity, Beast Aroma captures the rich, decadent essence of Feastables chocolate bars. When crafting this fragrance, I wanted to make sure it was as rich and unique as his I Built the Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory video. The top notes feature this burst of sweet chocolate and caramel, followed by a heart of rich hazelnut, and the base of warm vanilla and musk. It's like a chocolate river flowing through a bed of marshmallow rocks with this smooth vanilla breeze. It's perfect for those who love gourmand fragrances or just want something unique. But this isn't the only exciting fragrance I've worked on. Over the years, I've done 8 successful fragrance releases with Navitas Parfums, including XO Brandy, The Key, Siesta Drive, Elation, and Soir Exclusive, just to name a few. And each of these fragrances have their own story and unique notes that really can be worn across many different occasions. Picture this, the Beast Aroma fragrance launch, an epic event with our most loyal viewers. But here's the twist. Everyone has to complete a challenge to win their bottle, like fragrance bottle Jenga. In typical Mr. Beast fashion, we would build a life-size Jenga tower built mainly of fragrance bottles. Yes, you heard me correctly. Life-size fragrance bottles, and the last viewer to pull their fragrance bottle without dropping the tower would have a lifetime supply of this fragrance and $500,000. Now, while I can't give away a lifetime supply of Beast Aroma, I will be giving away samples and epic proportion discounts on my fragrance releases with Navitas Parfums. Yep, if you're watching this video, I'm offering a special discount of up to 45% off all of my fragrances with Navitas Parfums. Just use the code BBB20 for 20% off of 1 bottle, BBB30 for 30% off of 2 bottles, and BBB45 for 45% off of 3 bottles or more. But hurry, because once they're gone, they're gone. If you're looking for fragrances that smell great with unlimited compliment potential, then these fragrances are it, and they'll also help you smell better than all your friends. And again, as an added bonus, I'm sending out samples of Beast Aroma. And just to be clear, this is not an official release for Mr. Beast, and if you know Jimmy, tell Jimmy I got something special for him. So what do you think? If Beast Aroma was an official release, would you rock it? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, just comment you're a beast and I'll randomly choose 5 of you to win a sample of this fragrance that I'm calling Beast Aroma for the purposes of this video. Until next time, stay delicious.